You're gonna, once you get it out, it's gonna be like so straight into the back of that red car.
Are you a redneck?
No,
they are.
But wait till the guy's got, hopefully the guy's got full coverage.
Yeah, it's new enough.
But they'll probably be PUI.
How the fuck do you do that? Yeah, it's going on YouTube. Everybody look for the jackass of the video. Whoa, hey, buddy. You can't.
What do you want to call it?
I don't know yet. It'll be like
Jackass the Motley Crue.
GMC Motley Crue Jackass something. It would be easier for you to remember Wendell Rock. That's my like username on YouTube.
Okay. Wendell Rock.
Yeah. ROX.
I think mine's Fred Dude 64.
There it's alright, I gotta go. Good luck, bro!